Hello students, in today's video we are going to study about the cross product of two vectors. Cross product or vector product. Now it is the vector product, it means when we do the vector product of two vector, it is a vector quantity. Therefore its name is vector product, or the second one is cross product. Now what is cross product? Cross product of two vectors A and B is given by A cross B, and it is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine theta into n cap. Okay, now look here. Here A, magnitude of A is a scalar quantity, magnitude of B is also a scalar, sine theta is also a scalar, but n cap, this is a unit vector which gives the direction to A cross B. And what is the direction of A cross B? It is the direction of A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So what is A cross product? A cross B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B sine theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, and it gives the direction to A and B. ये ध्यान रखना है, ए क्रॉस बी की डायरेक्शन हमेशा कैसी होगी? ये एक ऐसा वेक्टर होगा जो ए और बी दोनों के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर है. Okay, now first how can we find the cross product if two vectors are given? Now if vector A is a1i plus b1j plus c1k, and vector B is given by a2i plus b2j plus c2k, then A cross B is given solved by solving a determinant having first row as I, j and k, and in second row we have to write the component of I, j, k from vector A, and similarly in third row we have to write the component of vector B from I, j, k from vector B. So it means A cross B is a determinant having first row as I, j, k, second row as a1 b1 c1, and third row as a2 b2 and c2. ओके, नाउ अभी बताया आपको मैंने व्हाट इज ए क्रॉस बी. ए क्रॉस बी इज इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए इंटू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी इंटू साइन थीटा इंटू एन कैप. इट इज़ अ वेक्टर, बट व्हेन वी राइट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी, नाउ इट बिकम्स स्केलर क्वांटिटी बिकॉज हमें उसका मॉड लिखना है वेक्टर का. तो इसकी डायरेक्शन हट जाएगी और उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए इंटू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी इंटू साइन ऑफ थीटा, एंड वे from here we can find the angle between two vectors by using cross product. Sin theta is equal to magnitude of A cross B into over magnitude of A into magnitude of B. For dot product फॉर्मूला क्या था हमारा, पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं. cos theta is equal to A dot B over mod of A mod of B. But for cross product it is sin theta is equal to magnitude of A cross B over mod of A and mod of B. Okay, now coming to the next thing, that is for perpendicular or collinear vectors. Now if two vectors are perpendicular or collinear, then angle between them is 0, theta is 0, and if theta is 0, that's why sin theta is also 0, and if sin theta is 0, it means their cross product A cross B is AB sin theta, cross product is 0. So from here we can write A cross A is also 0. For same vectors we can write A cross A is 0. Now we have to keep two things in mind. For parallel collinear vectors, cross product is 0, and for the same vector, a repeating vector, A cross A is also 0. Okay, now if we write A cross B, it is magnitude of A into magnitude of into sine theta, where theta is the angle between A and B, and theta is measured from A to B. This is A and it is B. This angle is theta, A cross B. But when we write B cross A, we have to take the angle in this direction and clockwise, and then the angle becomes minus theta. एंगल की डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगी, क्लॉकवाइज आ जाएगा. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में हम पॉजिटिव एंगल लेते हैं और क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में नेगेटिव. तो बी क्रॉस ए इज इक्वल टू मॉड ऑफ ए मॉड ऑफ बी इंटू साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा, एंड वेयर साइन माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा. That's why value of B cross A is equal to minus A cross B. Okay, so for repeating or parallel vector, cross product is 0 and B cross A is equal to A cross B. Dot product के लिए ये equal होते हैं, but cross product के लिए B cross A is equal to minus A cross B नेगेटिव हो जाता है. Okay, अब for the unit vectors, वो unit vectors I, J and K. Now we have already studied that A cross A is 0. That's why I cross I is 0, j cross j is also 0, k cross k is also 0. But when we write I cross j, okay, when we write I cross j, so from the formula of a cross b, it is equal to magnitude of I into magnitude of j into sine theta into a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. Now I is a unit vector in direction of x axis, j is a unit vector in direction of y axis. So which is the perpendicular vector to both? That is z axis, and in direction of z axis our unit vector is k cap. Okay, it means we have to write I cross j is equal to magnitude of I into magnitude of j sine theta into k cap, where k is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both I and j, and एंगल बिटवीन आई एंड जे, एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस के बीच में जो एंगल होगा डेट इज साइन 90, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 90 इज 1, and mod of I and j is also 1 because these are the unit vectors, and it means I cross j is equal to k. Okay, now but if we write j cross I, then what is it? I have told you that a b cross a is equal to minus a cross b. Therefore when we write j cross I, it will becomes minus k, because जब हम y से x एक्सिस की डायरेक्शन में आएंगे, एंगल की डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगी हमारी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, तो वो माइनस में एंगल चला जाएगा, तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? माइनस के. ओके, और इनका साइक्लिक ऑर्डर याद रखो, आई क्रॉस जे, जे क्रॉस के क्रॉस आई आर पॉजिटिव, बट इफ वी राइट इन अपोजिट अपोजिट वेक्टर्स जे क्रॉस आई, देन इट इज माइनस के. देयरफॉर आई क्रॉस आई इज 0 नाउ, जे क्रॉस जे इज ऑल्सो 0, के क्रॉस के इज 0, बट व्हेन वी राइट आई क्रॉस जे इट इज के, and j cross I is minus k. and similarly when we write j cross k, तो j और k के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर कौन सा होगा हमारा? I कैप. तो j cross k is equal to I, and when we write k cross j it becomes minus I. k cross I is j and I cross k is minus j. Okay, now last thing about cross product, that is the area of a triangle or area of a parallelogram having two sides adjacent, having two adjacent vectors. Now if abcd is a parallelogram having adjacent side given by vector a and vector b, then area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of a cross b. It means firstly we have to find the magnitude of a cross b, and when we find the magnitude of vector a cross b, and when we find the magnitude of a cross b, then we get the area of parallelogram. And from here, what is the area of triangle? Now if abcd is a parallelogram, if we join the diagonal, in 9th class we have studied that diagonal of a parallelogram divided into two parts of equal area. It means area of triangle ABC is equal to half of the parallelogram. It means what is the area of triangle? It is equal to half of magnitude of A cross B. Okay, so area of triangle is half of AB cross BC, and area of parallelogram is magnitude of AB cross BC. Okay, this is our today's topic. In next video or in next class we will discuss the question of this topic. Okay, bye for today.